do is that there's a little piece of cork in there. You pull that piece of cork out and you put that marshmallow in so she can't get out. She can eat her way out and they can eat their way into her to get to her, to get her out. And so she's forced to stay in this hive for like a day. And so by the time she gets out, she's acclimated to the hive and she wants to stay.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So it just gives her like something to do while she's acclimating so she doesn't just take off.
Yeah, exactly. So she doesn't like decide she doesn't like it in there.
Oh, they are so fascinating.
Yeah. Having a food source outside, they don't go into the hive and rob it.
So that's where the beekeeping really comes in, is like making sure your hive's content.
Yeah. And so this is just,
You guys are so cute. Hi, little guys.
just sugar water. You just poke holes in the bottom so it slowly drips out.
Oh yeah, and then they just drink
They just drink it.